Yes, no, my own.
So what your name now? Nikki Brown?
No, Brown.
Nikki Rubber.
Brown Black.
Brown Blacks.
Yeah, but
Man, I lie. Shut and laugh.
Okay. But you don't know before we jump off any other thing, we don't want to really contact you same way because it's a family thing.
No, we don't know. We tired, lover. Can we say, we know,
man.
But the power living and I'm in a party long time, so I'm going to come off a little bit yesterday. I'm going to drink about 2 or 3 or 4
Mash up.
About 6 cup of Edison straight. I let my head never ready feet. You know, make up with a mad headache, you let me have it all day. I drink about.
So make you detox and gamma can get on drugs.
Yes, sir. So that's
what
I drink ginger tea, I drink mint tea, I drink tea bag tea. I don't know where else left at all.
Have a ganja tea if you drink.
It looks.
No. Oh.
But you know, anything's for the kids we are here. So what we are doing tonight, no? Right, no.
Yes.
Good night, Chat and Laugh Nation. Good night. Good. Well, Mr. Robert. Good night, Chat and Laugh Nation. Good night. Good night.
Yes. Explain this to the people, because when we make the video early, I mean everyone say it for them wrong, go do them for do.
Which one I video?
We make a video early, man.
Okay.
First thing first. Thanks to everybody who donate.
Yeah, come for everybody.
Even if they donate just $100, thank you very much.
How would them have?
Right. I'm going to tell them early on, we never give nobody nothing for put on.
Yeah, and the amount with them give, if somebody have millions, I'll get 1,000. If them have 1,000 and put 100, them come up better.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Right, so rules.
What are the rules now?
All right then. I never say to Sean just now, but Sean, you need to take up a paper and a pen. Me say to Rika early on. So my daughter right just beside of me. The three of them are going to do the same thing. Just in case a name miss out or somebody miss up or whatever. We know so are the three of them.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right then.
Where you call me for what my job is if you have everybody I write down name. So where you bother call me from out of the people them living job half a mattress. What my job? Because for me got good Alpha Academy and my mother never own no school fee. Me see I keep go what they put me as blood clot jury. I'm supposed to go to be a judge. Alpha me go. And then I can't be a judge because I your show, so I couldn't be a judge. So me think so out of respect, me should have be a liar. And Alpha Academy, I go. And I get my whole heap of subject plus 1 belly.
You're not finished yet. We're not finished yet.
Me no business, because I don't know what my job right now, what me help it with. Because I notice some of you know, people don't seem to laugh at that. Because I depend on the life of my answer, and I know me and over here. So just listen to you talk over here. You call my phone and you know I'm over here. You see me over here, I know good God I want to my app. So if I depend on one, and they said what I start off, and they said what I do this out, and they said what I chat and laugh with. You have 2 phones. You understand me? Yeah, me call you boo, but me not have 2 phones. So now I have some people you know, they love shoot. I mean, I want to with my friend, them always shoot. They never shoot me and put me on front line. You understand me? They like, you know what about you to all the sharing, all the tablet, you know. So I think like I might part this one, come in, you know.
Yeah, but listen now.
Yeah, I might part that.
Listen, you are going out there watch everything.
What before watch?
Listen what I'm saying to you.
What lava? I'm saying about good now. What lava? I'm telling you.
You look like you rub some Nikki Blacks.
Yeah, me I rub lava.
That me a talk about. No. Oh. What you talking about? It's lava, please. Nikki Blacks. Nikki Blacks are rubber.
I'm going to worry about the tea.
So me ask you a question. When you start do this?
About 2 weeks ago, my skin not stubborn. My always tell you that.
Man, I lie. Shut and laugh.
1 week lava. When they see my about the chat and laugh, at we don't get started.
A mass.
Yeah, me that mask little bit, yes, no, my own.
So what your name now? Nikki Brown?
No, Brown.
Nikki Rubber?
Brown Black.
Brown Blacks.
Yeah,
Man, I lie. Shut and laugh.
We can't hear Crovers, we have one Nikki Crovers. So right now, we are Nikki Platinum. I know Platinum color, so I call it a Platinum. No, lava, but the skin I reach. Lava, yes. Big up the people that bleaching cream, darling, but them people work. Right now with the lace front, we gotta look different right now. Like, man, find me here, sir. Let them tell you, my bleach, I feel like when I promote, yeah, so I promote some cream.
Before we talk, what me go tell them about Saturday?
Saturday, I don't know, say, as Sons, though, I know, say,
After party.
As Sons, yeah, because Sons are giving me the money over the after party. Yeah, pick up the after party.
Sons after party. People,
after party,
Fort Lauderdale, Florida, all of Florida people, I will be at Sons after party this coming Saturday.
Lava, make sure Lava get him good money for 2 weeks.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, I'm fully booked and I'm properly booked. So girls come out,
yes.
Dash out to the body and come get to know on a chat and laugh apparels while I'm putting about my ad comedy done. Fuck with my nerves, Lava. Sure. Yeah. Back again. See there.
Then I saw your mass bleaching, you know, you do.
Papa, I'm not full of foreign. Yeah, we are real criminal in a real blood clot life, Lava.
So that means to them now, we're gonna reach all if we never notice all this or go on the night, we're gonna reach all Florida Saturday and if you come pick me up for a airport and I see you and I wave to me, I'm in the brain and I say, who the brown girl? I don't know the brown girl, eh?
Yeah, like last night when my son got me some
Kimberly. I don't know what God. See it? I hear it, you know. What get on with the show? What only tablet figure away? What only tablet figure tonight? First thing first. One check. Pass mode to me cash up them on $sign Lava. Hold on, what are you there now? You ready to get it? For win the price. What
Pardon?
Your son or your daughter is here?
My niece.
Your niece there?
She's sleeping. They gotta give me a minute, please.
How old is your niece?
9.
Yeah. I pity them no matter what time you wait them before you give them a gift, them I got happy feet.
Danny, come Paris, here.
Nah, see your face good.
Turn down, now look here. I get a bit for your day of work.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Good night.
Good night. All right. Chat and laugh. I love you, okay? All right, then pick up yourself. Okay. Listen, I'm going to send you a tablet, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just get a tablet to do your work.
Thank you.
All right, then.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, then. Big up. Where is it? You're good now, my friend. All right, then.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Got it now, Nana? It soon cut off. Yeah. No, it's a go cut off by itself. When you know it moves a delay. But you know, them have that though. So Sean, make sure everything good over there, so, and Rika, make sure you good with our name, everything right there, so. Okay? Alright, next one. You look a brother. Alright, look a brother, what up? You alright? What school you go to? Which school?
107.
Okay, how old are you? 10? You have a tablet? You know a tablet? But guess what? You just win a tablet. I have a tablet for you, okay? Alright then, so go and pick up yourself. You have a tablet. Alright, pick up yourself.
What you talking about? It's
Alright,
like a place.
right on that. Send information. Right, that's all. Okay, now waste of time. Okay. Can't possibly so. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, you alright?
Yes.
Yeah? Ask you a question, right?
Yes.
You have a tablet?
No, I don't.
Wow. But guess what? You have a tablet now. I'm going to get you a tablet, okay?
Okay.
Uncle Love are going to get you a tablet. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Love you, okay?
Love you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right. Parents. The tablet is not for the parents. The tablet's for the kids. Hey, when they take so long?
Come on, kid.
Papa. Okay.
Stay here.
No, delay.
Don't say good night to Lava. Good night, Lava. Good night. Good
Good
night.
night.
Yes.
You want to talk to her? I'm going to talk to her. Good night.
Good night.
Everything okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Ish.
You have a tablet?
No.
Okay. So, Uncle Lava going to give you a tablet, okay?
Thank you.
So you don't have to worry about nothing again. You have a tablet for yourself.
Thank you.
And remember,
Thank you.
it's not mommy tablet or daddy tablet. It's your tablet.
I am too appreciative of the habit. I'm not going to touch it. I'm only going to look at it.
Thank you very much. Big up yourself, yeah?
Yes, thanks.
All right then, big up.
Thank you.
Okay. All right then. All right then. We'll go with shut and laugh.